If you're a content creator, you need to know about these 5 almost too good to be true AI tools. They'll save you hours and level up your work. Especially #3, which most people completely miss. Let's get right into it. Tool number 1, Gamma.app. Imagine typing one prompt and bam, out comes a gorgeous presentation. No design degree needed. Perfect for pitches, courses, or just flexing on your coworkers. Tool number 2, Claude.ai. This one eats long documents for breakfast. Upload your PDFs or reports. And Claude spits out the key points in seconds. Perfect for busy brains who want the TLDR, not a novel. Tool number 3. Now this is the hidden gem, OpusClip. Most creators ignore it, but they're missing out. OpusClip takes your long videos and slices them into viral shorts. It picks the best moments, adds captions, and formats everything for TikTok or YouTube, practically on autopilot. Total game changer. Tool number 4, Cleanvoice.ai. Sick of background noise and awkward ums? Cleanvoice makes your audio sound pro, no fancy mics or hours of editing required. And tool number 5, Supermeme.ai. Instantly create viral memes with just a few words. It's like having a meme wizard in your pocket. Try one today and comment below with the tool that blew your mind. Don't forget to subscribe for more brainy, faceless videos. Catch you next time.